How old are you?
7.
Wow.
She said like me and Aaron actually 6.
Technically, yeah, but we're pretending. Okay, and then RC, then what do I ask you? Just tell me and I'll do it.
I get say if they want standing or sitting.
Would you like them standing or sitting?
Standing.
Okay.
I don't
All right, what's the other question?
It's my birthday too.
I know, we're going to take turns.
Fast
You can-
motion or slow motion?
Okay, do you want fast motion or slow motion?
Fast motion.
Okay, and then last question is, I think you said with words or without words?
With words.
With words. Okay, so let's review. So with words,
Standing.
fast motion while standing. You guys are going to have to tell me. Are we ready?
Go.
Happy birthday
And to you, happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday to
RC, happy birthday to you.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How
How are you?
Happy birthday!
Very nice.
All right, Brendan's turn.